welcome back to the vlog. I'm gonna be going to get my nails done right now. I'm driving, so I'm not gonna be doing too much vlogging when I'm driving. I do not practice dangerous driving, so I'll see you there. Here are my nails. Tell them now. Alright, so I am all done with my nails. I absolutely love them. They are overlay, guys. These are overlay nails. These are what I've always like wanted, but for some reason I always get the tips. But I like them short because I have to do my daughter's hair, both of them. I have to clean my baby's tongue. I have to do a lot of things, and I don't want to scrape my baby. So I really like them short. I would just polish my nails. However, my nails, I bite them, or I used to bite them, so they are not as what would I say, they are not as groomed to have them looking really nice when I polish them. So I opt for the overlay and I love them. Okay, all right, so I am gonna head out now. I'm gonna head back home. I want to stop and get a few things. I want to get some I really want to get some hygiene products. However, today I don't think it's today because I need to go and relieve my mommy now. She has baby Ellie and she needs to go on the road. So I'm gonna go and relieve her now. And I'm definitely gonna get a stand for my phone today. I'm gonna try and get one of those because this holding phone in my hand business, it's not working. So I'm gonna get one of those stands. I am gonna be going to a play with my girls, Ellie and Nishike, and I have a brunch tomorrow. Guys, I know it's bad when I realized I bought 5 outfits for this one event just because I was not sure what outfit would look best on me. Like, it's my first time out to a party in years. Well, definitely not since I've been pregnant, because I was taking no check when I was pregnant. So I have like 5 outfits. So I need the stand. Can I get the 20-piece nuggets combo?
Flavor, sauce, and drink.
What are the flavors?
Barbecue, honey mustard, and sweet and sour for the sauce. Mango peach, limeade, fried cooked grape, or the drink.
Can I get a mango peach and sweet and sour sauce?
Sweet and sour sauce flavor drink.
Mango peach.
That's it?
Yes, ma'am.
17.50.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm about to head out. Let's go. Ready, Ellie? Let's go, mama. Guys, we are out and on our way to the movies, to the play. Guys, if anybody had told me that I'd be this late, I'd tell them that they are lying. I look so out, so disorganized. Like, I had to wear this hat because I was looking for my LA, or is it the New York hat, black and white hat, and I can't find it anywhere. So I had to wear this one. I feel like a joker because it has the big old smiley face on it. But we are on our way there now. So when
continue on Maxfield Avenue for 3 kilometers.
Okay. I'll show you where I'm going. Oh, what a mess. But I'm gonna show you. People park over there. Oh my god. They park on the side of the road. Unless the parking full.
We never pay about 1 liter. How many 1 liter? One dog. One liter.
No, we didn't win. This is 3-1-4 and 3-1-3.
Is it like a lottery?
No, it's like a raffle.
Oh.
So guys, we are back from the play and it was just such a fun little watch. I did enjoy it. My big daughter, she did enjoy it as well. This is where I'm gonna end tonight, the vlog for tonight, and the big day is tomorrow. Okay. I need to dye my wig because it's giving me like, it's not even natural black, it's kind of brown. I've worn that wig once. I'm gonna have to customize it. I'm going to dye it black. About the dye today, so I'm gonna dye it black. I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm gonna do some reading because I'm trying to do more reading, and then I'm gonna head to bed. All right, so see you guys in the morning. Mwah. Can we put more? That's what I need to do that. Hey guys, so I finally get the chance to start the vlog. I have been so busy all day. Alright, so it's now almost 3 o'clock and I am trying to hurry to get ready for 4. Alright, so this wig I made this wig myself, so it doesn't come with any other cap or any of those things to make it feel secure. So I'm sewing in piece of elastic to make it feel a little bit more secure, right? I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna do my, well, I already curled this wig, but I'm gonna put some extra curls. I'm gonna put some extra curls in it. For the finishing touches. So I'm just hurrying, sewing this in, and then I start my makeup. For my makeup, I wanna do like an African princess look. I'm wearing brown, khaki they call it. So guys, I'm telling you, I'm gonna buy 5 outfits. Well, 5 different items because I just wasn't sure what I really wanted to wear. Just have to go wear one of them because I still don't really like the color. Well, you know when they compare, like when I see the other colors that they have, I like the orange better and I even like the gold better. But those were sold out. So I had to get the brown. So I am not gonna put any color on my eyes. I'm just gonna do a neutral look to complement my outfit. And I was so tempted to do my hair straight, bone straight, because it looks so good. I just love straight hair. But I put a little curls in it. Of course, I showed you my curling iron set that I got from my friend Coco for my birthday. And I brandished it today for the first time. Alright, so I'm gonna start my face now, and I'm hurrying, I don't talk much. other people.
I think you never check us out.
Backside. One day for ticket.